So yesterday we saw how to create a BA report, but yeah, today we can go through once again. Quickly, we can go through once again, and then we can also can complete how to publish it. Okay.
Mhm.
So do you remember through which page we?
Tools, tools
Yeah.
and reports and analytics.
Yes. And then
And then
so
create here, yeah, create report,
create, or else we can go to
browse
browse
catalog.
catalog.
Yeah.
Yes. So when we click on browse catalog or create, it will land in a different page on a different tab.
Yeah, and folder. Then
Yes. So yes. So we created this in the shared folder, right?
share folder.
So
Yep,
yeah,
share.
we already have your folder here, and as we have created it using, like, I believe this user ID, which is the user ID. This instructor user ID has been used only by us, I believe. So that's why it's showing what we have created over here. Okay, and if you hover on this, we will know what object these are. So this is the data model, and this is a report. So whenever we want to execute a report, so we need to have both data model as well as report model, so that this can be combined together and we get the output. Okay.
Mhm.
So in the more option, we have schedule, history, job. We can delete it, rename it, and properties are available. Okay. So in the property, we will know the name of other details as well. Okay, the location, and what else? When it was created, whether it was modified or not, whether if we want to change it to a read-only file, we can have it as a read-only file, and we will know the extension and so on. Okay, so let's have it this way. Mm, so let's create one more, report. Okay, or else, yeah, as mentioned, let's finish off the registration process, right? Be how to deploy and run this report, and then we can see if we want to create one, we can create one, or else you can create one. Yeah. So mm to register to deploy the report, what we have to do is we have to go to setup and maintenance. In the setup and maintenance, there is one task. So go to task and search. So this task, um, it's a very huge name. The task name is very huge. So manage enterprise scheduler. Yeah, schedule. So I have provided only partial name. So here there are one, two, three types, three tasks are available. We have to select the one which says manage enterprise scheduler, job definition, and job sets for human capital management and related application.
Mhm.
Okay, this is the task that we need to select. So once we have selected the task, still loading. Yeah, we will land here. Okay, so this is the place where we can schedule. Okay, we can set up the schedule for this particular task. So here, as usual, what we'll have to do is we have to click on the plus button and provide the names. Okay. So let's say, what shall we have the name as? Oracle HCM employee list, employee name list, right? And then if you notice, the name should be like display name can be anything, but the name here, enter only alphabetic character with no space. Okay, so here let's say Oracle employee name list. Okay, maybe we can say version 1, and then the path. So how can we find the path of our report? So for that, we can navigate to our reports, and we know which is the report, right? So this is the data model. First one is the data model, and second is the report. In the report, click on more properties. So we will know in which location this is set up, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
over here, we can ignore this part slash shared part, and we can take under which folder our file is located. So slash custom slash epsita. Okay, so that is the folder name that we have created. So let's have it, and we have to remember should have a forward slash after the folder folder name, which means otherwise it will the system will think that epsita is the file name. So to to make sure that it goes in like it fetches the correct file, we will have to follow this. Okay, and the example is provided here, see, right? So this is an
Yeah.
example. So last forward slash is available, and next we can select global human resource application, and description we don't have to provide anything, but yeah, maybe we can have the same name, display name as description. Retries, if it fails, say when we are executing this and it fails, then we can say that you have to retry for 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so that's what retries means. And job category is not required. Timeout period is not required. Timeout period is when say if we have a daily job, and if we want to make sure that after 30 seconds this process should not run. In that case, we can provide it as 30. Okay, enter the number of minutes allowed before stopping submission. So we can have like we have to enter it in minutes. So it's going to be 0.5. I'm not sure if it is. It will take 0.5. No, it's not taking 0.5. So minimum is 1 minute. Okay, and then job application name. Okay, job application name. What we have to select is FSCM ESS. Okay, and the job type is BI report. Okay, there are different job types available. SQL, Perl job type are available, but we have created BI report, right? So BAP job type, and then over here, if you notice, the class name is provided. See, so just telling us that if we select this class will be used. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
class is when you say class, class name is a code name. Okay, a code which is used in the scripts. So like a JavaScript, it will be used. Okay, JavaScript, not JavaScript actually, Java coding. In Java coding, it will be used. Okay, and the output format we can predefine if we want to have a specific folder type. I mean format, we can have it, and then the report ID. Okay, report ID is not available in the property, but it will be available in schedule. So we have to navigate to the catalog, like the reporting session, and then click on more and click on schedule. So once you click on schedule, we will know the report, where it is, and what is the like report ID is. Okay, so this is the report ID. We can either, like if we are well versed with the path and names, we can type in. Otherwise, we can just simply copy paste it. Okay, and then the priority. If we are going to create more than 2 or 3 jobs, we can set up the priority accordingly. Okay, and then this is to say whether we have to allow multiple pending submissions or not. So we always have it as true. And then here this checkbox is important. Enable submission from scheduled process. Okay. So if we disable it, this process will not be available. Okay. So we have enabled this. I will take quick. I will take a quick snapshot of it. Yeah. Give me
Mm-hmm.
a minute.
Where did we get that job application name? FSC. Yeah, that
Uh, yeah. We usually select FSCM ESS.
for the
Okay.
application for job,
Yes.
any job.
Yes.
Oh,
Job application name. Yeah. I can check and tell you what each job application name is. Uh, FSC FSCM ESS, right? Hmm.
okay, it's application name, then job type.
Yeah. This is for some. Yeah. This is for exactly performing the same thing, but it shows how to create and so on, right? Create an Oracle Enterprise, schedule a job. FSCM ESS. So job application name. Maybe you can see if it shows us any definition. Mm, mm. Do you want this book for reference? I can download it
Mhm.
and send it across to you.
Yeah, yeah.
This data integration. Looks like it is under data integration.
No, it's little, yeah, the techno functional, as you said, the technical terms.
Yes. So administrating data integration for
TM.
Oracle Enterprise Performance Management. So it has around 624 pages. Still loading. Okay, this might be helpful. Yeah. Managing the mappings. First itself it's available. So mapping data integration. Defining your data integration. Mapping file. Um, where is it? Mm, oh, it's registering a BI publisher report as an Oracle Enterprise Scheduler. Yes, but it doesn't say. Let me check. Okay, this anyway has a lot of details. Yeah, anyway has a lot of details, and I believe this is something. Okay, this looks like a standalone like a tool. Uh, right. So as we mentioned in this first class, no, first few classes, there is PaaS, SaaS, and standalone, right?
Mhm.
So this application looks like a separate file. Routing. Yeah, yeah. Maybe you can look into this. Yeah. So this has exactly what we learned.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it has
data
exactly what we
sets,
learned.
yeah,
Yeah.
SQL query.
Hmm. So how to write a code and so on. See, they have used three tables. Are you able to see here?
Yeah,
Oops.
they try to join. Yeah, that's the command inner join is there.
Yes. Okay. Cool. So let's say this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Let's finish this off. So I will tell you what each item is in the next session. I'll prepare something and I will tell you. Okay. Like we have to refer different notes, like why each, what is the difference between each option is, and so on. Okay. So for now, we can understand that in the job application name we have to select FSCM ESS. Okay. And we are not trying any. Okay, we are not updating anything in here. So save and close. I did not take a snapshot, I think. Yeah. Take a snapshot. Save and close. Still saving. This will take some time. So based on our like we don't have like we are not uh, having any parameters here, right? So it's blank. Based on our requirement, we can manipulate or uh, sh- like configure the whole setup. Still loading. So meanwhile, I will try to send it across to you. Yeah. Oh, it's around 26 MB. Okay, cool. So we can look for our job, right? So what is the name of our job? I think it's Oracle HCM employee name list, right? Um, it's not available. Yeah, it's here. Okay, it's here. And if you want to edit, likewise, like we can click on edit. And if you want to duplicate it, create a duplicate of job, we can create a duplicate of this job. Yeah. And now what we have to do is we have now deployed it. So deployment is now completed. So what we have done is in the publisher, we have created the uh, data set and report. Okay, data set and report are created in the publisher, and using the schedule job, like using the schedule job, not a schedule job. Okay, I'm sorry. Using the schedule and maintenance, right? Setup and maintenance, using the job manage enterprise scheduler job. So I think you're taking notes of it, right? The task name and so on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can tell me. I did not take. I guess it's recording is going on.
Yeah,
So,
sure. So for quick reference, maybe if you are looking at it, yeah, this is the job name actually, full name. I have sent it through the chat. Okay,
mhm.
using that, we will create this particular job. So once this is completed, we can execute this. Like say we have completed this. Okay, So after 2 days or 3 days or after a while, or maybe someone from the organization wants to run this particular like job or data export. Not data export, this is report, right? So report. So what they will do is they will simply go to navigator, open tools, click on scheduled process. So
Mhm.
now this is going to be going to look similar to what we have seen already. Okay, this is going to look similar to what we have uh, seen previously. So let's see over here.
What was that?
Schedule.
Scheduled process.
Sorry. Yes.
Scheduled process, right?
Yeah. 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 Using scheduled processes. So over here, it's available
Yes,
here.
scheduled processes.
Okay. This is under available under tools.
Mhm.
Tools schedule process. So once you have come here, click on schedule new process. So these are the process which has been completed or waiting or errored and so on. Okay. So some have been successfully completed. Okay. So these are threads, new threads, like these are new tasks which are executed. So I would say after a while we want to execute this, then we can straight away select the schedule process and then click on schedule new process.
Mhm.
Okay, let's say schedule new process. So job, what is the job that we are about to execute? So it's Oracle. It's not showing here, right? Okay, search Oracle. Let's see, search. So there will be only one name, I think. See, so it's still searching. Oh, there are many. Oracle HCM. Still loading. Yeah, Oracle HCM employee name list, right? So
Mhm.
this is the one which we have created. So I've selected this and okay. So now we can provide all the basic like requirements, right? I mean all the basic information. So if you notice here, this will be similar to the one which we have used. Okay, which we have used in the this one whatever in the configuration level itself. We try to send it to we have tried to send it to our email address, right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
we can, yeah. So we have to select like a process option. Let's see what are the process option available. Process option. So over here we are selecting the language, time zone, currency, and all those format we are selecting. So in case the report has a different format, or if it requests like the date format needs to be in some other format, we can update it here. Okay, we can update it based on our requirement. Okay, so I usually prefer this one,
Mhm.
date, month in words, and then year. It is because the Excel sheet, if we are retrieving it in an Excel sheet, the Excel property is that it automatically checks for the format of the like format of the data, and it converts it into time, I mean date, right? When it converts into date, sometimes what it does is, if the date is say uh, 01 10 2023, we are giving it as 1st of October, right? But that the system will take it as 10th of January.
Mhm.
So to avoid that confusion, we will select the correct format that is required. So I usually prefer this format. Okay. This will be very useful when we are trying to extract it in an Excel sheet. In a PDF
Mhm.
file, that's all right because it's going to print and we can only view it. We will not be able to edit it, or PDF will not convert any data. So that's all right. Okay. And then the advanced option. So over here, if you see, we can either schedule it, like we can say once a day, hourly, daily, minutes, and from when it has to work and so on. This just once, which means only once it will be executed. Mm. And as soon as possible means once we submit it, this is going to work. And then the output. So the output, we need to provide some value, right? What is the output should be, how the output should be, whether it should be an PDF or Excel or something. We can determine it using this. So click on the add output document, and we have the name here, right? And the layout is first report layout that we have selected. And in which format we want it, let's have it as PDF format. Okay. And then we can remove this and we can provide some name. So let's do it this way. I'm not sure if it is going to work, but still, yeah, we can try. Hmm. So yes. So if you notice, this is the name of the uh, job that we have created. So this has been configured and created in the system. Now we are scheduling it. Okay, we are executing it. We are scheduling it. Okay. So let me say I want to send it to my email address, or maybe this time I can send it to your email address. Okay. And over here we have to provide the details, required details. Hmm. Can you help me with your email address?
Ipshita dot Mohanty,
Yeah.
MOHANTY 1,
M O H A
MOHANTY
N U Y. Yeah.
TY
One.
1 at the rate gmail.com. Yeah.
Okay. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Ipsita dot Ipsita dot Mohinty1 at gmail.com. Okay. And then let's say subject name we can say as first testing. Okay. And message, this message is sent from um, demo Oracle instances. And what else? That's all. And notifications. Let's see what are the options available. If we want, we can add a notification. Notification is like once this is completed, how they should notify us. Okay. So every day should it notify us? Like if we are scheduling it, uh, should it notify us every day, and how it has to proceed further? All those things can be set up in notification. So yeah, output, first report, you will get it as a PDF to this Gmail address, and this is going to be the subject line, and this is going to be the message. Let's submit it. Yeah, and before I submit it, right, I'll take a screenshot of this as well. Get layout. Okay, and you should be able to see our like yeah. Oh, it's succeeded. See, it's completed. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So the status will keep changing here. So once we click on this, uh, we will be able to see what has happened. So in case of any errors, so over here, if you see there is an error, right? Here. So in that case, we can see what error this has been produced. Why this is there has been an error.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So yeah, I've selected this. Looks like it doesn't have enough information. Status detail does not have enough information. That's all right. Let's look at our option. You can confirm, like you can check your Gmail and confirm whether you have received it or not. Okay. And
Mhm.
over here it says what is the message and where it is sent, when it is sent. All those details are here. And we don't have any parameters, right? We did not set up
Yeah,
any parameters, so it is blank. You received it, right?
yeah.
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. So we have successfully scheduled this job. Okay, and then we have also, I'm sorry, we have
So
actually
this,
configured it and then scheduled it. Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
so this email has to be sent to one person, or it's just a bulk? How many?
It can be sent to any person, like it can be sent to a group of people, or like not that we can send only emails. There were other details also, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, so when we select this,
Yeah, is this like something like a an annual report or like quarterly
yeah,
report
yeah,
or something? You have to
yes,
send it,
yes,
right?
yes. So using a schedule, using a schedule, we can say, yeah, boss, it has to be sent once.
Mm.
Like it's going to be only once, then it has to be sent once. When? Today or tomorrow. Say
Okay.
tomorrow we have to send this.
Mm.
Yeah, at 2:15 a.m. it should be sent. Okay, like that we can set it up, and output can be I mean, this is going to say that boss, what should happen and where it should be sent. So all those details can be set here.
Mm.
Okay, and destination, yes. See, whether we have to place this file in a server on a daily basis, right? As I mentioned in yesterday's session, like there can be multiple third-party servers which requires this particular file, right? The employee details or new starter files, or maybe performance files during the appraisal period. So we can schedule it, and we can make sure that this file is placed in particular server. So just see what happens if we select server. See, it's asking for which server it should be sent to. Custom metadata, and should it be sent as an attachments or CRM? And there are uh, lot of other options, right, available here. Okay, based on this, the system will react accordingly. Okay, whether we need to send it to a printer, if we have a printer attached, when we can say was this needs to be sent to a printer, or if you want to do everything together, right?
Mm-hmm.
This document should be sent to this particular printer, as well as it has to be sent to an sent as an email. And what are the other options available? It should be sent as a fax, and also to place it in a content server. So all those things can be selected at the same time. Okay, we can add all the jobs, yeah, same time, and configure it and send it. So it's good to know that we have such options in the system. So so that we don't have to like do all these things manually, and remember when we have to send it, why we have to send it, all those things, right? So
Mm-hmm.
once we have scheduled it, it will be easy for us. Like say daily I need to send a birthday reminder. Okay,
Yeah.
so days between runs. So we can increment it, decrement it, and when it start and when it should end. And if we want to manage the time, we can manage time. So all these options are available. Okay. So yeah, let's cancel this. So this is how we will schedule it. Okay, we'll schedule it, and you have received the email as well, right? So this is how we will perform BI report creation, and publish it and schedule it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So by this we are completing our BI report session. Okay,
Okay.
so maybe for practice purpose, if you want to perform a practice, like if you want to do something now, you can do it. Maybe you can share your screen and you can create or navigate through the application and see where each items are. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I will send you this particular yeah, I'll send you this particular slide. It doesn't have much details, but in one glance you will be able to understand because we have completed this, right? So you will know what I mean. I mean what I have put in this slides. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we have seen all this, how to create a BI report and from where we have to create a data model and what is the option that we have to select. We are using SQL query, so we will be selecting SQL query and all other details are for advanced build of reports.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and hmm, so all these things we have seen, right? We have seen all these things, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I have simply taken screenshot of all these values and so on. And then they provided few details are how to deploy and run BI reports from scheduled process.
Mm-hmm.
This is the final process and we're done. Okay. So I will send this across to you. Perfect. So yeah, that's it. So do you have any queries so far regarding the BI report?
No, no, like unless I do it once, I won't be able to say anything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Then what I'll do is I'll stop sharing my screen. You can share your screen and try to create one. Maybe you
Mm-hmm.
can replicate the exact same build with maybe one or two options, right? One or two fields.
Yeah. I think I have to go.
Yeah, can come. They're looking for the link and password. So you have looks like you have stopped sharing your screen, right?
Did I stop? Okay, I don't. I thought I did not. Stop.
Yeah, notice, notice. Yeah,
To go to navigator, then tools,
yeah.
then report and
Reports it analytics
report and analytics. Then
catalog.
catalog, create my folder. Shared folder, right?
Yes. In the shared folder, if you go down, there will be common. There will be another folder called common. C, yeah, COM, yeah, common or custom. I'm sorry, custom. Expand it, no?
Mm-hmm.
We'll have Ipsita. Yeah, look for Ipsita. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So maybe here we can create one. So on the right top, no, right top corner. No.
Yeah.
In the whole application, itself, right side top corner. So we have create, right?
Create.
Not there. On the right side, no? Completely go to the right. Yeah.
Okay.
Top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Create report data model. Yeah. If you want to create the data model first, we have to select the data model published report, right?
Data.
Yeah.
Data set.
Yes. Data set. Click the plus button.
SQL theory. Query. Then.
Yes. And we have to select the name, right? We have to provide some name. Maybe what we can say empty list, employee list, right? So empty list as name. No. This is SQL query, right? SQL query we have to build. Otherwise, click on name, right? And in the name, we have to click like EMP name, EMP name list, employee name list. And the data source, we have to go one after another. So let's select the data source, FSCM or HCM. Both will work, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have another option. See, yeah, let it be standard SQL. We have another option, query builder. Can you click on the query builder and see what is the option that is provided here? So that's nothing, right?
No.
Don't have anything. Maybe search, no? In the search option, say what is the name of the once again? What is the name of this one that we have provided? Yeah, search for PER. Yeah, and search. Click on search or enter. Enter. Just simply loading. It's not there. The schema, right?
Mm-hmm.
Schema. Select one of the schema. Fusion runtime. Okay, that's all right. Cancel it for now. I will see what it is, right? Because we will have options, other options as well. So if it is going to be easier for us to build, then we can use this. Okay, now say same query we can provide here, right? So select. So maybe that what is that table name? We can have it from the books.
Mm-hmm.
So in the SQL query, just provide as select mm, first underscore name.
All caps, right?
Not required. Not required.
First
First
underscore
underscore
name.
name. Yeah. Comma. Last underscore name. From
From.
from per underscore person underscore names underscore f. So from per underscore
Name.
person underscore name person person, yeah, underscore names 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 underscore f f for f for fan, yeah. And now click OK. So see,
Okay.
now you have created a data set. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now click on structure.
On structure.
Structure. Yes. Yeah. Over here you can click on output.
Output. Okay.
table view and output view, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is just to review what we have added and so on.
Okay.
Okay. And data, click on data. And over here, just click on view. So top 5, right? Click on view.
Mm.
And now click on table view. Table view. Tree view is available, right? So table view, yeah. So now click save. Save will be available on the right side, right top.
This
Yes,
one.
yes. Click save. Is it asking for a name? Yeah. Now you will have to provide, select the shared folder. Under the shared folder, please select customs, custom.
Yeah.
Custom is there. Yeah, double click on it. Double click. Yes. Under that, please select your folder. Right side, no? We can scroll right. HI. Go to right, go to your right. Yeah, on the top. Yeah, double click. Yeah, now provide the name employee name list, right? EMP name list, yeah, employee name list, yeah. Yeah, okay. And it has been saved. Now save as sample data. So we have in the data, no, the data we have save as sample data. Click on that. Okay. So this is required when we are creating a report. So simply we have to, first of all, definitely we have to save this data extract, right? Data extract, and then we have to save it as a sample data set. So this is complete, right? So
Mm.
once this is completed, um, yeah, we have created this, and
Is it? How do I know
yeah,
it's completed? It's
sorry,
it's saved as, okay. It is saved
it
as.
does say it's like it does provides us information, right? That's how. So we are done with this, right? We have done with this. So now click on create report. See, just beside, yeah, data we have create report. Over here, as I mentioned previously, we can do it in two ways, right?
Mhm.
One is using this wizard. We
Yeah.
can do. Otherwise, we can cancel this. Just simply cancel this, and we can start from the scratch. Yeah, okay. And we can use it through generate RTF layout based on selected data model. And to do that, like before you do that, yeah, if you want to do this, we have to select the data model that needs to be mapped. So cancel this. On the left top corner, you will see data model, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Click on the plus button. Oh, we have already created. I'm sorry. So create report. We have already created this, right? So create report.
The data set which we created, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Create. Please save the data model before creating a new report.
Or else what we can do, just cancel this. No, do you see any cancel option? No, right?
Mm.
Uh, Return. See, there is a button called return near
Where?
the validate. Near the validate on the right side, there are a few buttons right on the right side. Come to your left. Slowly come to your left. Not there. Not there. At the
Oh
bottom.
yeah.
At the
Oh yeah.
bottom. Yeah. Return. Okay.
Validate. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. The search button is available, right? No, no. Cancel this. Cancel this. Yeah. Search
Yes.
button near. Yeah. Yeah. Search. Yeah. From here, employee name list is something that you have created, correct?
Yeah.
So yeah, please select that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Click OK. So now if you notice on the top data model, you have employee name list.
Data model, yeah.
Employee name list is available. Now click on generate RTF layout.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now provide the layout name, employee list. Simply provide it as employee list.
Generate.
Yes, please.
Doesn't
This
look
is the
that.
template name.
Yeah.
Sorry?
I said that like it is not that hard, but just yeah, unless you do it two, three
Yes,
times, you yeah.
exactly. You're right. So
Mm-hmm.
we will have to do it 2 or 3 times. Only then we will have it in our mind, right? Yeah.
So
So,
please,
if- sorry,
properties or parameters?
view reports, like view report. Simply click on view report. Let's see. Okay, we have to save it. Yeah, now we have to save it. Employee list, right? Employee name list. Let's see if it is going to allow us. An item with the same name is written. Cancel. Name list. This is a report, right? So
Yeah.
say it as report. Name list report. Space report. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's saved. Now click on view report. So report is completed. So this is the report that we are looking at. And on the right side top, you have a few options, right? The settings option just below it. Yes. The other one. Next, no? Yeah. Click on that. No. That's refresh. Yes. Actions. Yes. So here we can schedule it, we can send it, we can perform all tasks. Yeah. So click on maybe click on schedule. So output, see over here we can select the destination and submit it so that it can be sent to your email address. So at the bottom you see there is a destination and add destination is available, right? If you click on add destination,
Add destination. Yeah.
yeah, you can provide your email address and you can get this data extract. Okay. So all these things maybe you can try it. Okay, you can try it offline. Messages, you can provide the message.
Mm-hmm.
And what else is available? Schedule. If you click on the schedule tab, so first is general tab and now you are in output tab. So this is a scheduling, right? This is scheduling at in the development area itself.
Uh-huh.
And once we have developed this, we can schedule this in the um, other area, right? The one which we sought now, that is scheduled processes.
Oh,
Okay.
here request delivery notice, read receipt, and
Hmm.
where is the
All
schedule?
those
Oh,
details
yeah,
can
oh,
be,
this is scheduled.
yes.
Okay.
So frequency, if you change the frequency based on that, we I mean we can have it, right? We can actually provide the details and configure it and then submit it. If you submit it now, you will receive an email. Yeah, you will receive an email with this attachment.
Mm-hmm. Please enter a
Job
job.
name. So we haven't provided the job name, no? Just provide a job name at the bottom.
Okay.
It's employee, like what is employee name list, right?
Yeah.
EMP name list or something. successfully submitted. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So click on return, or yeah, click on return. Yeah. Actually, you can check your inbox. You should have received one.
Yeah, I got it. I got.
Hmm? Oh, okay, okay, perfect, perfect. So this is how we can create. We can create a BI report, and it is a simple report. This is a very simple report that we have created. And if you are interested, then we can use joins and create more.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. This is good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And can you go back, like click on we are already here, right? Um, create only. Yeah, create report. Yeah, select the data model. Oh, here, cancel this. Yeah, cancel this. Okay, select the data model that you have created, right? The find button. Yeah, so employee name list. Yes. Okay, let's try something. Let's see if we are able to try something. So click on the blank portrait. Blank portrait. Yeah. Yes. So over here, if you notice, the first name and last name is available on the top. See,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you can simply click and drag and drop this. Try to drag drop.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you want, you can place it. Yes. So this can be placed in a like we can actually like develop it. Like now, what we saw is like previous template. It is simply providing us the details, right?
Mm-hmm.
However, we can have layout grid, repeating session, or yeah, all those options are available, right? So we can leave some space between each items, and we maybe we in a formatted manner we can have it.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So we can create templates. So there are options to create templates as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
How do
okay,
I?
good.
I did not go to space. Do not bullet.
Um,
Mm.
maybe you can experiment this. Okay, maybe yeah, you can
Yeah.
experiment this. Maybe if you like, are you planning to work on this for some time
Yeah, I can do
today?
that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. Maybe we can stop the session for here now, and
Mm-hmm.
we can continue with the other topics from tomorrow. And I will stop the recording now. Yeah.